the animation to the text. So if you go there, you don't have to add animation or the transition in between. It will just look like this. Hello guys, and welcome to Airbus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a text animation on Canva where you can make text appear one by one. So to be able to do that on a Canva video is pretty simple, and all you need to do is basically just frames. It's really just simple. So basically in a Canva video editor we have this user interface over here, so it's pretty much different compared to the usual video editor that we have, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or the others. Canva, on the other hand, or Canva Pro, if you check down the link in the description, you'll see that there is a link that allows you a free trial for 30 days on Canva Pro, so that you'll get the most amazing features that you can access, so that you can upgrade your Canva experience to the next level. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So how do we actually add a one-by-one text animation? So we have two methods that I'm going to show you. First of all, let's choose a background. So we can find a background by going over to uploads, where you can see pictures that you have uploaded from your device or your PC, or you can go over to elements, where you will find Canva generated, or like Canva stock photos, just like Adobe stock. So what you need to do is to choose a background. So that's on you. You can either choose a background that is photo, or it's a video. It's up to you. So I'm gonna try and use a video for this one. For example, the smoke background over here, I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna arrange it and make it full size of the entire screen. So as you can see, it's 14 seconds, but we can adjust this, make it shorter to just 2 seconds. And what we can do is we want to add text, right? From, like, let's say we can start from the top to the bottom, and what you need to do is go to text over here, then add a text box, then add your text. Let's say text one, then enlarge in that, put that wherever you want it to be. I'm gonna put that in the middle, and I'm gonna change the color of it by going over here. Then I can even change the font style to maybe the Cooper Hewitt one over here, and now it will look like that. And now what you need to do is you want multiple text, right? So you need to duplicate this by clicking here, duplicate that from with here again and again. You can even see the distances between these texts to make sure that they are equidistant from each other. So this will not show you a text one by one right now, not yet. We are not done with it. So what you need to do is to just have one text for this page. So let's say we're going to start off with the next one, so we can just duplicate this page. So we have this. I'm going to delete the rest of this text, and then we start with this one. Let's say this is our first frame, then duplicate this again, copy the second one over here to this one here, turn this to text 2. We can even add some transition to it. For example, here, add transition. If you click in the middle, go to dissolve, and as you can see, it will look like that, or stack, or circle wipe, or slide, or line wipe, color wipe, which is the entire page, or match, or move. I'm gonna go with the line wipe for this one. And as you can see, if we start over from here, we'll just play the video by pressing space, and now it will show us this. But that's not really what I want to see, because it's literally just changing the entire page. I'm just gonna go and set it to dissolve, so it will look like this. Okay. So more on this is you can continue duplicating this. You can even shorten it to something much shorter, like less than a second, 8.8. and then continue duplicating this, and then we can just copy the third text over here, change this to text 3, and then add the transition again, click in between the frames and set this to dissolve, and then now we should have this. So now it's appearing one by one, right? So another thing you can do is you can just let's remove the first frame now. So you can also remove the rest, delete delete as well, text tree delete, text to delete. So yeah, if you don't have to delete it, this is another method. So if the first one satisfies you, then that's all right, then you're welcome. So we're moving on to the next method. So what you can do is you could say like, hello, my name is Dan. You can put that in the middle or wherever you want it to be. You can even add some effects by going over here, add some shadow to it, maybe black like this. And then when you get over to the second frame, you can just delete the other text as well, like that. Change this to I am, let's say, 20 years old. And then from here as well, you can change it to like, I live in the United States. And then if we go play the video, it will show you that it will appear one by one, but it's a bit short, so I'm just gonna adjust that a bit so that people have some time to process what they are looking at. All right, I think 2 seconds is a bit too long though. So like, yeah, hello, my name is Dan, I'm 20 years old, I live in the United States. So now it looks like that. Another thing that you can do is you can even just set this to none, so it will look like this, just like that. Right now it looks a bit weird, but bear with me. You can even add animate to the text itself. So what you can do is you can change this to like shift. Even for this one, you can add shift, click the text to make sure that you are adding the effect or the animation to the text. So if you go there, you don't have to add animation or the transition in between. It will just look like this. See, it's appearing one by one. So that's it. It's that simple. It's how you can add text one by one using Canva. And if you're done with your video, you can go over to share and then just go to download and then just save it as MP4 video. And that's it. That is how you can add text one by one animation on Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.